Hi guys, in this video I've shown you 3 ways to create your own Shopify logo which are paid as well as free. So watch this video till the end to know about it, okay? So let's get started. Okay, so here's our Shopify store, and as you can see other Superstore 3, it's just plain text, okay? We don't have a logo, not a symbol, anything, okay? So to create a logo for a Shopify store, we are going to talk about 3 different sites where we can create our Shopify logo, okay? So the first one we will start with like the paid one, okay? We have free ones too, okay? See, this is the site called fiverr.com. This is the site for freelancers, okay? You can hire people to do your work and you can pay them for according to the job, okay, or the assignment you have to give them, okay? So you can see logo design, okay? We have to design a logo. So click here, logo design, okay? Yeah, it wants our ID. Yeah, let's leave it right now. Okay, so as you can see, they have different logos. See, I will design 3 modern minimalist logo designed for 1564 rupees, okay? So go here, go to sort by newest arrivals. See, the newest people, they're gonna charge less amount, okay? Yeah, like you can see here, 391 for one logo, okay? It's like they're charging like $5 for one logo, okay? So see, there are so many people who can design your logo. See, these are the example. What kind of logo you want for your website, you can choose it from here, like a signature logo, hand drawn. So the people who are expert in these kinds of designing, that let's say choose hand drawn logo. Yeah. So these are the people who are like experts in designing this particular types of logo. So you can hire these types of people to design your logo. Okay. See, there are so many people. Okay. So this was the first, okay? This was the first way with which you can design your logo, okay? This is the paid one, okay? Now let's go to the free ones, okay? So first we have a tool from Shopify. It's hatchful.shopify.com, okay? I will give the link in the description down below, okay? So hatchful.shopify.com is a tool from Shopify to generate logos for your store. You can see there are pre-designed logos. You can edit those logos. See, let's just click on get started. Yeah, now choose a business space, like what kind of a business you have, okay? Like you are selling home and garden products, food and drink, tech, art and photos, okay? So let's choose, yeah, let's choose fashion, okay? So click on fashion, next, okay? Now which kind of, choose your visual style, which kind of a logo you want, like we chose signature in that. So let's choose uh, yeah, reliable, okay? Yeah, or like conservative, okay? Click this, again next, then your business name, Adarsh Superstore 3, sorry, Adarsh Superstore, okay? Adarsh Superstore. If you want to give it a slogan, you can give one, okay? But it's optional, okay? Tell us where the logo will be used, okay? So we are gonna use it on like our online store or website. Yeah, leave this for now. If you want to, yeah, use for social media, that's it, okay? Now go to next. Yeah, here we go. The Hatchful.shopify.com has created these many logos for us, okay? You can see we can use this one. See, these are simple logos, okay? And all of them are free to use. Like, let's choose yeah, see, yeah, let's choose like this one, okay? This one, yeah. So if you want to give it a slogan, like example, have a nice anything, it will display over here, okay? Then if you want to edit something in this logo, like if you want to change the fonts, go to here, fonts, and now we have different options like this one, you have different font options, okay? Then you can also change the color, you can make it purple, you can make it grayish, blue, okay? Different shades of blue and many more colors, okay? You can change the colors from here. You can change icon like this one. Yeah, you can make this icon or like this one. Okay, so you can change different icons. You can change the layout, like white, this one or this one. Okay, so you can customize this logo according to your need. Okay, from these options over here. Okay, then let's say if you final a logo, let's say we final this one. Okay, simply click next. Okay, and now click download logo. Okay, now you just have to give you have to make an account or anything. It's free. Okay, just make an account with your email and password. That's it, done. And then you can download files. Okay, you can save multiple logos and unlimited editing. Okay, it's a free tool. Okay, so this was the second option, which was by Shopify. See, you can see how your logo will be displayed on like Facebook, Instagram, the Shopify store, YouTube, and every other place. Okay. Okay, yeah. Now the third and the best option for designing a logo for your Shopify store or any other business is this side. Most of you have already known this site, I know. It's like canva.com. Okay, I'll give the link in description box down below. See, you can design many things here. You can design presentation, video, Instagram post, Facebook post, poster, YouTube thumbnails, everything. Okay, so we want to design a logo. You can click logo over here, or you can just go and type here logo. Yeah, see, badge logo, computer logo, what kind of logo you want. Yeah, so like just select logo from here, or you can just click over here. Yeah, see, now see here, see, when you go to like the first option, templates, see, these all of these are pre-designed templates. Okay, like all of these, you can see all of them are pre-designed templates. Okay, this one, like these are gaming logos, badge type logos. Okay, now in these you can see like these are like pro. So if you want to click on these, yeah, you have to sign up for Canva premium membership if you want to use these kinds of logos. Okay, but the templates which don't contain like this pro symbol, all of those are free to use. Okay, you can select one, like let's say we select let's say we select this one. Okay, well, yeah, like this one. Okay, then just click on this one, and from here you can change the fonts of the text. From here you can see all of those, these are premium. Yeah, you can change the font of the text. Okay, then you can change the size from here if you want to make it bold. Okay, underline, if you want to make it in this alignment, you can bullet points, the spacing, like letter spacing. Okay, or like line spacing between two lines, everything. Okay, then you can add different elements from choose from here. Let's say if you choose graphics, you can add this element over here. Okay, then you can upload your different photographs, or if you already have a symbol and if you want to edit the symbol in here, you can do all of these things over here. You can, they have photos. Okay, free to use photo library. Canva has its own. Okay, so you can use these photos. You can change the background. That let's say we choose this background. Okay, you can choose different backgrounds from here. Okay, yeah, then these are different kind of text. You can see there's so many options. Okay, yeah, you just have to figure out what kind of a logo you want. Okay, there's plenty of options to play with. Okay, you can see if you want to take this photo, and yeah, see, now this photo is your background. Okay, it's just drag and drop. Okay, now if you want to make this photo your background, just right click this photo, replace background. Okay, now if let's say you have symbol, like you have this symbol and this symbol. Okay, you want this symbol to be in front, like above the text. Right click and see there are options: send backwards, send back, bring forward, bring front. Okay, just click on bring front, and you can see it is above designer. Okay, just click on Yeah, you can send it to back or go to background, anything. Okay. Yeah, so these are the three main like options with which you can create your logos. I personally use Canva because see, mostly these people who are going to design your logo, see, these are like professionals. They are going to design your logo. Some of them even design like 5 to 10 logos in for like $5. Okay, but this you can design any amount of logos you want. Okay, and when you design your logo, yeah, you just have to go here, click download. Okay, download. See, it's preparing your design. Yeah, you just have to sign up. See, and our logo is already downloaded. Click on this. Yeah, it's opening. It's taking time. Yeah, here we go. See, this is the logo which we downloaded. Okay, it's simple to easy. Okay, give some time, pick out a great name for your store. Okay, I'm gonna make a separate video on how to change your store name. Okay, if you want to change your store name, go to there, change the store name, and then design a beautiful logo for your store, because it will be displayed on every advertisement, every platform. Everyone is going to remember your company with the company's name and especially the logo. Okay, so these are the three main sites with which you can create your own Shopify store logo. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. As I already just said, this video is the part of a Shopify series in which I am taking you on a journey from creating your own Shopify store to adding products to advertising to making real profit. So to get notified when I upload my next video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to get notified when I upload my video. Thank you very much.